안녕하세요. This is 교실, classroom of elementary school. 초등학교 교실이에요. 여기는 초등학교 교실이에요. Maybe the first grader. Today we are going to study about number. So are there any numbers? Yeah, maybe in the clock there is a number there. So today we are going to study how to read number. To practice number, I think we need around 4 units. So from today, we are going to study 4 units more. Okay. And especially among the numbers, we are going to study the reading number. Okay. 2 number systems in Korean. Okay. As you see in English, they have just one number system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we write in Korean, we write this way: 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Instead of 3, we write 3. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The pronunciation is a little different, but yeah, anyway, we use this way. In Korean, we have 2 number system. First, reading number. Okay, among the 2 number system, the first one, reading number. Some teachers said this is a Korean number. Okay, and second, we have counting number, and some other teachers said this is a Sino-Korean number. Sino means Chinese Korean number. This number system is from Chinese language, but the pronunciation is different and spelling is also a little different. So I don't want to use the word Sino. So from this class, I will call the 2 number system. The first one, reading number, because when we read numbers, for example, the price or date, when we read price and date, we use this reading number system. And the second one, counting number. So this one, when this number system, when we count things like 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, oh, 3 students. 3명 있어요. So at this time, we use counting number. Okay. So among these 2 number systems, today we are going to study the first one, reading number. Okay. So reading number, maybe some of you already know. What is 1 in Korean? Okay, 1. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6. Especially you need to be careful. The pronunciation, this one is not yuk. Okay, as you already know, in Korean consonant, especially when they are in 받침, no release. Okay, so yuk, instead of yuk. Okay, and 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, now you need to memorize. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is reading number. Okay, these are reading numbers. How about counting numbers? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. This counting number I will teach you later. So let's just study. Only in this unit, only study reading numbers. Okay. And in Korean, we also have ordinal number. Ordinal number means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay. But that is quite simple. As you see, first, maybe you need to memorize only the first. In English, they don't say 1, 2, 3, right? They said they have their own word, first, second, third. But above third, so like fourth, they start to put th behind the number. Okay, but in Korean number system, only the First one has its own word, like 첫째, 첫째, not 하나째 or not 일째. Okay, we just say 첫째, but except for 첫째, they just put 째. Okay, it's like th in English. Or we also have another form, this one. We put 제 and 회. So this one, 제1회, 제2회, 제3회. This is also ordinal number. Yeah, but I think we seldom use this system. So what you need to memorize is these two. Okay, reading number and counting number. Okay, shall we memorize together? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, quite similar. Okay. And 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4. 3 and 4 is quite similar. 3, 4, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. 10, 10. 스이브 10, 10. How about 11? 11, 10 plus 1. Okay, so 10 and what is 1? 1. 11 is 11. How about 12? 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Basic unit. Oh, this slide also quite important. In this unit, the topic is how to say number in Korean, right? So you need to memorize from 1 to 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need to, before you need study this slide, you must memorize the number from 1 to 10. Okay, and let's talk about basic unit here. Okay. In English, 10, and in Korean, 10, 10, 10. How about 100? 100 in Korean? egg, bag, bag, like my bag, or yeah, bag, 100. 1,000 in Korean? 천. Okay, and this is easy, but this is slightly different. In English, basic unit is thousand and million, right? So every 3 digits, when there is a 3 digits, we put comma, and then we have a new unit, new basic unit. So above 1,000, this is, we don't have another words, right? We have 10,000, 10,000, okay, 10,000, oh, 10,000, 100,000, and then what? New unit, million. How about above million? 10 million, 100 million, and then billion. Okay, so every 3 digits, they have a new unit. That's why they put comma here. But in Korean, we don't have comma here, because in Korean, every 4 unit, we have a new, we have our every 4 digits, we have a new unit. Okay, here is a man. Okay, how about next man? Man, like that. So every 4 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's slightly different. Okay, so man, okay, for example, 10,000. 10,000 in Korean is 10,000. 10,000, right? 10,000. But we never call 10,000 for 10,000. We just say man, because we have our basic unit is for every 4 units, we put a new unit. Okay, so how about here? It's a 10만. Okay, this one. But even though our basic unit is different from English, we follow the comma as the same, because this is a kind of an international law. Okay, so we put this comma in every 3 digits, but this is a bit different from our number system. Anyway, 만, and here 10만. How about here? 100만. Yeah, so it's not a new unit. Okay, still we use 만 here. Okay, how about here? Yeah, we don't use new unit. Still 1000만. How about here? Because this is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we need new unit. That is 억. 억. Okay, so you need to memorize 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, 100만, 1000만, 억. One more time. 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, 100만, 1000만, 억. Okay, so this is 1. 1. How about 0? This is 10. So 10, 100, 100, 1000, 1000. And 10,000, we don't have 10,000. We have 만. Okay, 만, because 만 is the basic unit. Okay, how about above 만? 10만. And one more digit, 100만. One more digit, 1000만. And then one more new unit, that is 억. So what is next? 10억. How about what is next? 100억. Next, 1000억. And next, new unit. I think you never heard this one. Okay, the new unit is 조. 조. So when we talk about our national budget, okay, we use this one, 조. Okay, so when can we touch this amount of money? Never in my life. Okay, and now we also have one important point. Anyway, you also need to memorize this slide, right? It's also quite important. Okay, okay, let me repeat one more time. This is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, 100만, 1000만, 억, 10억, 100억, 1000억, 조. Okay. Okay, this is Korean and English. 100. In English, 100. How about 200? 200. 1000. 1000. And 2000. How about in Korean? 100. 1, 1. 100, 100. Okay. 200, 2. And 100. How about 1000? 1 and 1000? Do you remember? 1000? 1000. And 2000? 2000. But there is a difference. Look at this. One more time. So in Korean, when it has 1, so 100, 1000, we omit 1. So we just call this 100. Okay? So remember, we don't say 100, 1000. We don't say that. We just call this 100 and 1000. But when they have 200 or 2000, we put 1. Okay? So I said no 1. Okay? No 1. We don't put 1 here. Okay? No 1. Quite important. Okay, let's practice how to read numbers. 365 in Korean. 365. 3 and 300. 100. Okay, 300, 300. And 60. 60. 6 and 60. That when we say 60, that T it means 10, right? So 6, 10, 360 and 5, 5. 365. 365. How about 120? 1, 1, 100, 100. And 2, 2, 20, 20 means 210, right? So 120. As you already noticed, this 1 is wrong. We need to omit it. No 1. Okay? Not 100. For 100, we don't say 100. We just say 100. Okay? So 120 is 120. How about 200? 200? Yeah, of course. 2 and 100. Finish. 200. How about 1814 or 100? Sorry, 1814. In English, they can call this 1814, but in Korean, we never read this number 1814. We always say 1814. Okay, so what is 1000? 1, 1, 1000, 1000. 1000? No, 1000. Okay, as I said, we don't know 1. Okay, this one, no 1. Oh, 1000. And 800. 800. 800. And 10. 10 is not 10. Okay, no 1. Just 10. Okay, and 4, 4. 1814. Okay, 1814. Okay, let's practice this addition. Okay, addition. In Korean, we say number, and plus in Korean is 더하기. 더하기 plus. Okay, or addition, add. And number and blah blah. This is equal. In Korean, we say un or 는. We use topping marker. Okay. So for example, 6 더하기 7은 6 더하기 7은 what? 뭐예요? Do you understand? So what is 6 plus 7? Okay, 6 더하기 7은 뭐예요? You need to calculate. Where is my calculator? 계산기 어디에 있어요? 네, 6 더하기 7은 13이에요. 13이에요. How about this? 3 더하기 9는 뭐예요? 3 더하기 9. 3 더하기 9는 12예요. 12예요. How about 8 더하기 4는? 8 더하기 4. 8 더하기 4. 8, 8. 4, 4. So 12예요. Okay. Now I will teach you how to read the money, the price. Okay. So this in Korean, when you say this in Korean, as I explained, we don't say in Korean. This is adjective, so we need thing. Okay, always. So thing is 거, 이거, and how much? How much? 얼마, 얼마, and is. How much is this? Right? So is in Korean, 예요. 이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? And you need to tell the price. And then won. Won means Korean currency, like a dollar. Won or yen, but that one, okay? Won Korean currency. Won. And we need verb be. 이에요. 이에요. Okay? 이거 얼마예요? 원이에요. Socks. 얼마예요? How much? How much is the socks? 5,600 won. Okay, so how do you ask? How much, ma'am or sir? How much is these socks? These socks. 이 양말. When you say these socks, that these is adjective. So without 거, we just say 이 양말. These socks. In Korean, singular plural is not that important. Maybe some part is a bit important, but usually it's not that important. So these and this same. Okay. So 이 양말은 topping marker. 이 양말은 I'm speaking of this 양말. How much is it? Okay. How much is it? 얼마예요? 이 양말은 얼마예요? 이 양말은 얼마예요? Okay, 5,600, 5,000, 5,000, 1,000, and 6, 600, 100, 5,600. And what do we need? Dollars. Dollars in Korean? Korean won. We use won. 5,600 won. And what do we need? Verb bit. Yeah, it is 5,600. But in Korean, we usually omit the subject it. Okay, so we just have to say is 5,600. But in Korean language, the verb must be at the end of the sentence. So 5,601 is. Okay, what is? Because one has 받침 이에요. Okay. 이 양말은 얼마예요? 5,600원이에요. 이 양말은 얼마예요? 5,600원이에요. Umbrella we call 우산. Okay. 우산 14,000 won. 14,000 won. How about that umbrella? Do you remember? If you don't remember, so why don't you watch the video again? Okay, that here that is near the listener. Okay, near the listener we say 그 instead of 저 we say 그, and umbrella 우산 umbrella. So that umbrella near the listener. Okay, 그 우산 and topic marker 은, 그 우산은 how much? 얼마예요? 그 우산은 얼마예요? 14,000 won. So as I said, always the 4-digit is the unit, right? So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만. So this is 1, 1, 만. Okay. Again, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만. This is 만. So 1만. 1만. So 1만. And as I said, no, this is wrong. No il. Do you remember? No il. Omit it. Okay, just 만. And 4,000, 4, 4,000, 1,000. 14,000. Okay, 14,000. And what do we need? 원이에요. 14,000원이에요. 그 우산은 얼마예요? 14,000원이에요. 그 우산은 얼마예요? 14,000원이에요. Okay. Hat or our cap. Okay, cap. Oh, it's quite expensive. Mm-hmm. That cap. Okay, that away from boss. 저. Okay, 저 모자는 topic marker. And how much? 얼마예요? 저 모자는 얼마예요? Okay, this is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만. Okay, so 4만. So what is 4만? 4만. Okay, and 1,000. 1,000. I said no il, omit. Okay, 1,000. And what do we need? Korean one and verb 이에요. 41,000원이에요. 저 모자는 얼마예요? 41,000원이에요. Computer, oh, looks expensive. Notebook, okay, or laptop. Laptop or notebook in Korean, we call this, we call this notebook, okay? Notebook, we call this notebook. 이 노트북은, topic marker, 이 노트북은 how much? 얼마예요? 이 노트북은 얼마예요? So we need to count, right? So look at this. Oh, this is 1,500,000, right? 1,500,000. So here, this is of course, this is 0, but let's get this. Let's say just this is 1, okay? So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 만. How about here? What? How do we call this? This is 10만, 10만. How about this one? 100만, 100만. And 1000만, 억, blah, blah, blah. So this is 100, okay? 100 and 50만. 1이에요. 100? No, just 100. 150만. Do you understand? 150만 and 1이에요. 이 노트북은 얼마예요? 150만 원이에요. Okay, about 1,000 US dollars. 이 노트북은 얼마예요? 150만 원이에요. How about this notebook? 이 노트북은 얼마예요? How much is this? I don't know. 몰라요. And how much? Free. Wow, that's free. Really? Yeah. So free in Korean. Free in Korean. 공짜. Okay? 공짜. Or 무료 is also okay, but 공짜 is more natural here. And 공짜. And what do we need here? Behind 공짜, we need to put verb be because it is free, right? It is free of charge, but we have to, in Korean, we omit the it, right? So is free, okay? So in Korean word order, free is. So we need is. 공짜예요. 이 노트북은 얼마예요? 공짜예요? Free? 오. Okay, so today we studied how to read numbers, especially the reading number. Okay, so how do you read? Do you memorize it already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. How about the one 10, 100,000? So 1, 10, 100, and 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 만, 10,000, 만, 100,000, 10만, and a million, million, 100만. Okay. Now I'm confusing million and 10 million, 10 million, 1,000만. Okay, 100 million, 100 million. Okay, now billion. Okay, billion in Korean, 10억. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you. 감사합니다. Please memorize the number in Korean. Okay.